All right, so I'm just going to take you on a quick tour of TrueCoach so you can get a good sense of how it works and how the workouts are laid out so that you are doing them correctly. So when you open up TrueCoach, this is what you should see. If you don't see your workouts right away, just press the workouts button in the bottom left corner. Now, as I mentioned in the email, the workouts will be scheduled on specific days of the week, but that doesn't mean that you have to do them like on that specific day. Okay, so as you can see, they're scheduled kind of Wednesday and Thursday, rest day in the middle, and then Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so they're just scheduled for like that for this week, but you can absolutely, depending on your schedule, right? You might need to do them all 4 days in a row. You might need to do one workout and then rest the next day based on like what you have going on with work and life and all of that, okay? So they are just scheduled in. They have to be scheduled on a specific day of the week, but that does not mean that's when you have to do them. So when you go to do your workouts, let's say you did sort of miss the workout. It was scheduled for Wednesday, but you couldn't do it till Friday. Just click the past button on the top kind of right corner there. And this will take you to any past workouts that you've either completed or you've missed. So obviously the green check mark means completed. This is just an example here. But if there was anything that was missed, you'd find it here. Okay, so as you can see with the workouts on this screen is just an overview of the exercises that are included. Okay, so you can see all of them there. When you actually click, we're going to do lower body A just as an example. When you actually click on it, you're going to get a much more detailed view of it. Okay, this is still an overview of it in terms of you haven't actually started the workout yet, but this will tell you kind of all the bigger more of the specifics of it, right? The reps, the sets, the rest, all of that type of stuff. Now, if it just has a letter beside it, like it has A, that means it's a single set, right? If it's like a D1, D2, that's going to mean it's a superset and that there is no rest between kind of those two exercises, okay? So that's just a quick little overview there. You can see all of that. Now, let's say you just wanted to take a look at your workout. You're not actually starting it yet. Maybe you're doing it tomorrow, but you want to look at some of the exercises. So, for example, you could click on your warm-up and you're like, cool, I know most of them. Maybe I don't know hamstring sweeps. Click on it. You can watch the video right there. Okay, same thing. You're like, okay, barbell split squat. I'm pretty sure I know that. Maybe I'll just watch the form a little bit. Go ahead. You could watch the video there, just like that. Okay, so that's everything to kind of just look at the workout. Now, when you're ready to begin the workout, go ahead and press begin in the top right corner. That's going to kind of just start the workout. So here's everything for your warm up, right? You're going to go through that. Don't worry about tracking like reps and stuff like that for your warm up. Once you're done, go ahead, slide on through, and then you're going to get to kind of your first exercise. Okay, that has all the details that you need right there. As you're completing it, you can go ahead and enter your data here. So let's just say for kind of your ramp up, I'll put ramp up sets. Let's just say as an example, you did 50, I'm just going to pull some numbers out here, 70, and maybe let's say 80. And then let's say your sets, let's say you had 3 ramp up sets there, and then you did 8 times 90, maybe you did 6. I'm just getting some numbers here, right? You're just putting in the numbers that you lifted, the reps and the sets, the reps and the weights. Okay, so you could put in your warm-up sets there, and then you can put all of your working sets as well. Once you're done, press completed, and you can view the video description right there as well. So there is usually a written description for most exercises. Okay, so completed, swipe on through, write in all your exercise results there, swipe on through, right? If you have to skip an exercise for whatever reason, press missed. As you're going through as well, you can not only just put your reps and weights lifted here, but you can, that's not what's required there, but you can put in your, put in comments, right? So you could say comments for yourself or for me, because you can go back and see these in the future if you do continue on with Lift with KD. So you could say, felt great at this weight, go up next week, whatever you want to kind of put in, right? So you can put in comments there for yourself or me, or ask questions as well. Okay, so finish all that, you do all the exercises. There's your cool down, same thing. Once you're done, go ahead and press complete workout. That's going to take you back to the start. You can kind of see everything that you've entered. If for whatever reason you forgot something, it didn't get entered, go ahead, press the update button in the top right corner. It'll take you back into the workout, okay? And at the very end as well, you can add in any like overall comments for the workout. So if you have specific comments on the exercises, feel free to leave them as you go. And overall comments you could leave there, right? Again, you could say like, loved this workout, put any questions in there. You could say, oh, maybe this exercise didn't feel quite right, or wasn't able to potentially set it up like you did in the video because I'm working out at home. What can I do to modify that? So ask questions, things like that. I can give you suggestions and recommendations along the way as well. Okay, so that's everything. That's just a quick rundown of how to utilize TrueCoach. I'm super pumped to have you in the trial week of Lift with KD. If you have any questions along the way, right, drop them on the workouts. As I mentioned in the email, I will absolutely be kind of watching along, right? I'll be seeing you track your workouts, do things like that all the way through. So you're not kind of just, Lift with KD is not a program where you're just on your own and never have any contact with a coach. I'm here to help and support you along the way as well. So have a fantastic week, have lots of fun, and I will chat with you soon.